glad we're back. I certainly am. Thanks for coming to Saturday Market. We're going to be doing this all spring, all summer, all fall, all the way to the middle of November. So just remember, if it's a Saturday, come back and have some fun. One of our fine traditions here at Saturday Market is to always have marimbas on opening day because marimbas bring the sunshine. So these people are my good luck charm, and it worked really well this time. So, all right. Wait, which? This is
both of us together.
Okay. So this is Gary. He's going to tell you what this is.
Hi guys. We are really excited to be part of this tradition. We love playing marimba here on opening day. We're from the Kutsinere Cultural Arts Center, and we got two groups mixed together here. We have our Chapwititi, the three young folk right in the middle here. Chapwititi, we're going to play 30 minutes with our older band called Mutsui Wambuya, and they'll be featured in the second half for an hour. So our first song today is Chemwanya. Thank you.